My name is Dhivya Srinivasan. I graduated from Kettering June of 2010. I majored in industrial engineering with a minor in management. I currently work at KPMG. I'm a manager in their strategy advisory group, and we focus on automotive clients. Right before I got to KPMG, I was working at Ford. They hired me to be part of their sensor team, doing just design and release for all their parkade and camera sensors. And I had a friend at KPMG who reached out and said, hey, would you like to do some strategy work on the consulting side? And so I made the transition into consulting. I actually grew up in the Middle East in a country called Oman, and I was born in India, and so I graduated high school in Oman, and I applied to colleges in the US, Canada, one in Singapore, a couple in London, and one in Australia, I think. So I kind of applied to colleges all over the world. I didn't know what college was like here. My selection criteria was just totally different from what students would normally think about. I think Kettering had a really good, highly ranked industrial engineering program at the time, and so that was a big contributor. The co-op program was really unique from all the schools that I looked at, and so that was also a really big push towards choosing Kettering. My most long-term co-op was Beaumont Hospitals with their IT department at the time, and we were rolling out their electronic medical record. The impact from that project has outlived my time there. Even now, if I go to the doctor's office, I can see the systems that we implemented and the processes still in place. The Kettering experience, I think, differentiates you. When you graduate, you already have several years of work experience. That prepares you a lot. Kettering is a tough school. It takes a lot of effort to get through it, but I think it really teaches you how to set yourself up for a lifetime of learning. And I think the skills that you learn here are instrumental in how well you do in your career, and you just have to be willing to go out, explore, learn, and utilize all of the access that you have.